of two variables, a Boolean function f of two variables x and y, of two variables x and y is defined as follows, is defined as follows: f of 0 comma 0 equals to f of 0 comma 1 equals to f of 1 comma 1 equals to 1, and f of 1 comma 0 equals to 0. The Boolean function is f and input variables are x and y. You can understand like this. Then for every operation, f of 0 comma 0 equals to f of 0 comma 1 equals to f of 1 comma 1 equals to 1, and f of 1 comma 0 equals to 0. Assuming complements of x and y are not available. Assuming complements of x and y are not available, comma, a minimum cost solution for realizing f, a minimum cost solution for realizing f using only two input NOR gates and two input OR gates. Two input NOR gates and two input OR gates inside of the bracket, each having unit cost. Each having unit cost means if you use one gate, the cost of that gate is 1 unit. Are you clear? Would have a total cost. Would have a total cost. Tell me what you are understanding in this problem. What you have understood in this problem? What you have understood in this problem? No? You have not understood anything in this problem? Means they are asking to generate a circuit for this problem. How much cost is required? What is the cost for this Boolean functionality for implementation of your logic circuit? This is the direct question. Indirect question, they are given like this in a one gate problem. Then how to solve this? Tell me anyone? Now first what we need to create? We need to create truth table first. Yes or no? From the truth table we can generate a K-Map. From K-Map you can generate a implicants, prime implicants. From prime implicants you can generate a Boolean expression. From Boolean expression you can generate a logic circuit. Are you clear? In that logic circuit implementation also, he has very clearly mentioned the NOR gates and OR gates only you should use. The NOR gate consider only two inputs. The OR gate also going to consider two inputs. So if how many NOR gates you are using, how many OR gates are using? Every gate is 1 unit of cost. So if you are using 3 gates for construction of your logic circuit for the Boolean function, 3 units cost is required. This is the meaning. Are you following? Are you clear? So this is the way you should understand the question. Question is very big. Answer is very small. If you understand, that is what you understood the question clearly, carefully read, then you will get the answer within the fraction of seconds also. But still, how to solve I will show you. Then tell me what is the truth table for the given this particular problem. How many input variables are there here? How many? 2 input variables are there. So x, y. Then what is the output? F. Yes or no? They clearly mentioned 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, sorry, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. They're given. So you write same. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Then only in the case 1, 0, done. Even at the time of competitive exam, no need to write all these things also. You can do it easily, K-Map. Yes or no? So, but theoretical exam you should write. Okay, now tell me how to design. What is the K-Map is enough for this? How many variable K-Map? 2 variable K-Map is enough to design. Now tell me 0, 1, 0, 1, XY. Right? Now, start up. Second guy. బెంచ్ మీద నిలబడు బుద్ధి వస్తుంది కొద్దిగా రోజు కాలేజీకి వస్తే అర్థమవుతుంది ఏం చెప్తున్నావు అని సిగ్గుండాలి కొద్దిగా నవ్వాలంట క్లాస్ ఇట్లా బయటకు రాను బుక్ తీసుకొని బయటకు రాను నీ బుక్లో ఏముంది నువ్వేముంది ఇట్లా బయటకు రా డిస్టర్బ్ చేయడం ఉంటుంది చెప్పాను మీకు ఆల్రెడీ టైం లేదు వీఆర్ డిస్కసింగ్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ద సిలబస్ బికాస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఏం రాసినావు అన్న వెళ్ళిపో అక్కడికి వెళ్ళు ముందు కూర్చో ఇక్కడ కూర్చో ముందు ఇక పోయాడ కూర్చుంటున్న బుద్ధి లేకుండా జరపాలి ఐ టోల్డ్ యూ డోంట్ సిట్ అలాంగ్ విత్ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అదర్వైజ్ యూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు లూజ్ ద థింగ్స్ ఎనిమిస్తోనే కూర్చోండి కాలేజ్ వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ చేయండి ఫ్రెండ్స్ అప్పుడు మీకు టైం వేస్ట్ అవ్వదు వాడి దగ్గరే కూర్చో వాడు చెప్తాడు నువ్వు ఏదో చెప్తావు ఏమొస్తుంది ఏమో జోగి జోగి రాసుకుంటే బూడిదే వస్తుంది తెలియనంతో కూర్చోవాలి అప్పుడు కదా మీకు నాలెడ్జ్ ఇంప్రూవ్ అయ్యేది వాడు ఏదో చెప్తుంటాడు అరే రేపు సినిమాకి పోదామా ఎల్లుండి కొత్త సినిమా లేతుంది అని వాడు గిచ్చుతుంటాడు వీడు గిల్లుతుంటాడు ఇవే జరుగుతాయి ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ సిట్ ఇన్ ద క్లాస్ రూమ్ బిసైడ్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్ రియల్లీ యూ వాంట్ టు గెట్ వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ వాంట్ ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ చేయొద్దు అనట్లేదు ఆఫ్టర్ 4 యూ డూ ఇట్ ఎంజాయ్ మూవీకి వెళ్ళండి సాయంత్రం అప్పుడు ఏం కాదు ఏం చేసుకున్నాం చెప్తా ఉంటే ఊరికే చేస్తా ఉంటాం ఇదంతా రికార్డ్ అయితే ఇదంతా కావాలి కానివ్వండి ఎక్స్ వై టెల్ మీ what generally they are not given anything in a SOP or POS. Then default what we need to consider? SOP should consider. Yes or no? So SOP. Then SOP means we should consider ones. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So 1, 0, sir, 0 I want to write, you write it. But you don't need to consider. No need to write also. Yes or no? Correct. Now tell me what are the combinations? Grouping are possible, quarter is possible, so octant is possible, quarter is possible, double only possible. Double for this. Then one more double is possible, right? Even you can use opposite or overlap. Overlap is best. Opposite also we can use. Yes or no? Both will work. Even Karnaugh also we can use. But all are double only. But only take one thing. Are you following? ఏదైనా బుక్ లో వాడు కార్నర్ తీసుకుని తప్ప అనుకోవద్దు మీరు ఓకే ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈజ్ రైట్ నౌ టెల్ మీ వాట్ ఈస్ ద టెల్ మీ ఎక్స్ బార్ దెన్ టాప్ సైడ్ నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్ changing right then this one what is this upside y only left side changing not required then what is the equation x bar plus y yes or no this is a Boolean expression so how to design a logic circuit so you take it x y. Okay. So what they told you should consider NOR gates or tell me what is the NOR gate, what is the OR gate? What is the NOR gate, what is the OR gate? So this is R, right? Before you X bar, after Y. So before that, one more operation you should be performed. That is X bar. X bar will be taking complement. How to complement? Use NOR gate. Yes or no? Yes or no? From where you want NOR gate? Correct? NOR gate only, right? Correct? Output is X bar. I am taking input from X. But actually every input for gate we want 2. So same input I am giving 2 times to my NOR gate. Are you clear? Are you clear? So next Y. So this is Y. What they are expecting in between X bar and Y? What they are expecting X bar with Y? X bar or Y. So OR gate. Yes or no? Two input OR gate. Two input OR gate, right? What is the outcome? X bar plus Y. That is your F. Correct? Correct? Yes. As per the question, what is the cost for this logic circuit? Each gate 1 unit. How many gates we have used here? 2. What is the cost now? 2 units. Because in this circuit, you are used 2 gates. Got it? Clear? Clear? Okay. If it is clear, then we'll go for one more problem so that we can finish and we can start next topic. Yeah. This is also gate problem. Problem is big, solution is short. Just if x equal to 1 in the logic equation, if x equal to 1 in the logic equation, this logic equation equals to 1, then so minimize the equation. How to minimize? Just if you think the problem, you will feel somewhat complex, but just observe the equation, you can understand the equation. What we need to do? We need to substitute 1. So after substituting, what you will get? 1 plus z y bar plus z bar plus y. X bar means here 0, right? Huh? Y bar only. Here X bar, right? X bar means 0 plus following z bar, then 1 plus 1. Correct? As per the Boolean expression, Boolean logic, 1 plus anything is 1. Identity rules. Go with the identity rules. So if you look at this, 1 plus something, it will represent 1. Then 1 into something, that's something only. Yes or no? 1 into, yes or no? If any expression, that will be returned. This is a common rule, you know. Then what is the outcome? Z bar into 1 plus y equals to 1. So this is a simplification of the equation. People will ask like this. If you feel question, if you read question, you will get some nervous. But you just observe the question. If the question is big, you just think the answer 100% very small. Okay? Okay? Yeah. Now, as per this, we have covered maximum things in a K-Map. So, our job is what actually? What is our job? Second unit, we need to design a combinational circuit or sequential circuit. First half is combinational circuit, second half is a